So lasting powers of attorney. Lasting powers of attorney, many people have them. We now have over 9 million registered in this country, in England and Wales. There are two types. There are the property and finance powers of attorney. There's an example of the front page of one here on this slide. And there's also the health and welfare power of attorney. If you're an individual who doesn't have a power of attorney yet, you can apply to the court to appoint someone in either or both of these cases. They are separate applications. What you're doing by appointing an attorney is getting someone to support you in your lifetime. Now, I must stress with the power of attorney, this isn't somebody who is replacing you. This is somebody who's coming in as your substitute. Why have a power of attorney? Well, it gives you choice. You can choose who you want to be your attorneys. You may have preferred family members who you think are better suited to this role to other family members. You may have one child who is got a lot of financial experience or a lot of care and health and welfare experience. You might want to choose those individuals. It also gives you control. You're dictating who you appoint, as opposed to, if you don't have a power of attorney in place, a court could, on application, appoint someone if you've already lost capacity, you're not able to make the decision yourself. Now, you're not alone in here if you take out a power of attorney. This here is taken from the Office of Public Guardian's annual statistic. We see over the last few years the growth in popularity and powers of attorney. So in 2023 to 2024, 1.37 million people, 1.37 million powers of attorney were registered at the Office of the Public Guardian. I know from seeing the recent figures, it's a very similar figure of 1.3 million again from 2024 to 2025. Now, taking from that report I just mentioned here, the annual reports and accounts, you can see the volume of work that they are seeing here. I know, for example, from the new figures here, on that right-hand side, last year they were showing there was 8 million powers of attorney registered on the register. We now know there's over 9 million. This is not a small part of our society using powers of attorney. This is a big chunk of our population. So you're not alone if you're thinking, I should put this in place.